those small businesses who often lack technological expertise, government is creating a ready-made online platform for them by creating their digital presence. In April 2022, Government of India has launched its own network for digital commerce, which is ONDC for short. Hi everyone, I am Shalini and you are watching Voice Apart. In April 2022, Government of India has launched its own network for digital commerce, which is ONDC for short. ONDC is launched as an alternative to big tech giants like Amazon, Flipkart, Zomato to disrupt their monopoly in the e-commerce world. With the rise of e-commerce industry, we all forget our small retailers and businessmen who are not yet available on these big e-commerce platforms. This may not seem a very big problem for us as buyers, but from an economic point of view, this problem is like a hole in our Indian economic system. So first let us see what are the problems these big tech players are creating, and then we will see what our Indian government is doing to knock them out of this monopoly. So Indian e-commerce industry is huge. It was worth more than $55 billion in value in year 2021 and will grow further up to $350 billion by the end of this decade. And Amazon and Flipkart controls more than 60% of the stake in the market. By holding this big share of market, Amazon is now sucking the sellers by launching its own products using the sellers' long-drawn data under the brand of Amazon itself. So Amazon is basically studying the sellers' data to which product is high in demand and having the largest customer base. After gathering all the confidential data, Amazon is making the same quality product with the same specification but in the huge quantity, with a cheaper cost of course, and selling the products under the exotic label of Amazon's Choice or Amazon's bestseller.
In the EU filed complaints, but the Seattle-based company denies the charge, saying its platform offers more choices to consumers. It's pointed out that there are many large retailers in the EU and that Amazon makes up just 1% of global.
We all know we Indians are price sensitive and hence we get easily drawn towards the cheaper products along with the label of Amazon's Choice. And in the end, we end up hurting the small business owners of our Indian market in the long run. So to solve this big issue of predatory pricing, which means selling the products at the super low prices, which results in eliminating the competition as a whole, Indian government is coming up with a super amazing concept, which is known as Open Network for Digital Commerce. So ONDC is like reimagining the digital commerce and making it friendly for small business owners of our country. ONDC can be alternatively said as the UPI of the e-commerce, where UPI we can instantly transfer the funds from one bank account to another. On the other hand, UPI acts as a single gateway of payment which merges the multiple bank accounts into a single application. So ONDC will also act as a single network where the buyers and sellers will interact with each other without any hassle of switching on to different apps. So it is a not-for-profit company whose network will enable the display of products and services from all the participating e-commerce platforms in the search results itself and across all the applications on just one single network. For example, if both Amazon and Flipkart integrate their platforms with ONDC, so the user searching for a Bluetooth headset would also see the results from Flipkart, Amazon and also who are selling the Bluetooth headset. So this way, buyer can easily compare the prices of the products and the small buyers can also available online. Long story short, let us see what are the challenges that government is trying to solve by the launch of ONDC. If we look at the seller's side, anybody who can make their digital catalog over the internet can attract a lot of customers, right? So hence those small businesses who often lack technological expertise, government is creating a ready-made online platform for them by creating their digital presence. And from the buyer's point of view, we will get a hassle-free interface where all of the prices are already compared and we can choose from the best suited products for ourselves from our single UPI payments app like Google Pay, Phone Pay and Paytm etc. For that, we do not need to have different applications for other products. Rather, the payment applications will do all the work for us. Hence, this way ONDC will solve a lot of mainstream problems like onboarding of small sellers, vendors discoverability, price discoverability, product cataloging, price comparison, and many more. So, we can say that by the launch of ONDC, the e-commerce market will no longer be controlled by just one organization, and this certainly has the potential to be the next big thing. What do you think about this? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much.